Today, I'm gonna be doing an oil change on my 05 Subaru Impreza STI.
Bitch.
Is how you change the oil to my 05 Subaru Impreza STI. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you haven't entered my contest giveaway yet, do it. It's gonna end at the end of this year. That's right, it's gonna end at December 1st. I'm gonna give everyone a chance, a lot of people chances to enter to win what was on the previous uploaded video. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It's a good giveaway.